Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings, where every stroke of the brush sparks inspiration. In this video, we are diving into the delightful world of birthday celebrating as we guide you through the creation of a cute and whimsical birthday cake illustration. Join us on this artistic journey as we sprinkle a touch of magic onto the canvas, bringing to life a cake that is as sweet as it is charming. From the vibrant layers of frosting to the playful candle flaming dancing in the breeze, each element is carefully crafted to ignite joy and creativity. Tune in now and let your imagination soar as we embark on this deliciously creative adventure together on the Inspire Art Linking channel. Let's make every birthday a masterpiece. Drawing a birthday cake can be a delightful and creative activity, perfect for celebrating someone's special day. Whether you are an experienced artist or just starting out, follow these simple steps to create a charming birthday cake illustration. Begin by lightly sketching the outline of the cake on your paper. Start with the basic shape for the cake itself, such as circle or rectangular. Add layers, draw layers for the cake. Tires, make sure to vary their sizes to create visual interest. Use gentle curved line to represent the frosting or icing on each layer. Let your imagination run wild as we decorate the cake. Draw candles, sprinkles, frosting, swirls, or any other decoration you would like to include. You can also add fruit, candies, or personalized message for an extra special touch. Once you are satisfied with the sketch, it's time to add colors if you like. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.